this is NOV-DEC 2024 question 32. A cube of side 6 cm and a cuboid of length 8 cm and a width 3 cm have the same volume. We have to find the height of the cube, a cuboid. So this, first of all, we know that if I have a cube which has the size to be 6 cm, it means that is throughout all the length, 6 in all. And finding volume, since we are dealing with volume, the volume of a cube is just going to be the length cube, as in the length times the length times the length. So this is just going to be 6 times 6 times 6 all together. I am going to leave it this way without the actual multiplication. Then if I take a cuboid, so if the length is the longest side we can pick from here, so the length is 8 cm, then the height is unknown, so we can use h. How about the width is given as what? 3 cm. How do we find the volume? We know volume is length times breadth times what? The height of a cuboid. So what will I do? It's going to be that I have 8 cm. Let's just take it without the unit. We add the unit at the end. This is going to be 3 cm times what? The h. Now, what are we saying? We are saying that the volume of the cube is the same as the volume of the cuboid, meaning this value, which we can add all together to have our centimeter cube, this is going to be the same as this. They have the same volume. So that implies that 6 times 6 times 6 will be equals to 8 times 3 times what? H. But we are looking for 8, so we divide both sides by the 8 times 3 so that we can easily get the 8. So 6 times 6 times 6 divided by 8 times 3 equals to what? H. I don't want to have a bigger number that I'll have to think of how to divide it. So I know this will go here 2 times. That 2 will go here 4. 4 is 2 times 2. So going here 3, going here 3, they cancel. So 3, 3, 9. And don't forget, this is going to be centimeter times centimeter. So centimeter squared, centimeter cube. So you'll be left with only centimeter. So therefore, the height of the cuboid is going to be 9 centimeters, which we can see as well, the option C. I guess you also follow through. You can also find the multiplication of this, divide by the multiplication of this. You still come back to get what? 9 as your height. I guess this is clear. Like, share, comment, and what? Subscribe.